Dear customer, thank you for your purchase of the Panasonic air conditioner. We appreciate your trust in Panasonic for your cooling needs. We wanted to help you understand what items will come as a part of the installation process at no extra cost and what items will have to be bought at an additional cost to bring complete transparency to the installation process. Apart from the AC units, indoor and outdoor, you will find a remote for your AC with 2 AAA batteries and the assembly manual. Every new AC package includes a connecting cable of 3.6 meters which connects the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. A copper pipe which is 3 meters long and a 550mm drain pipe. You will not have to pay anything extra for these items during the installation process. The installation charges are based on the active scheme or offer that you have availed during the purchase of your AC. But extra charges will apply if the connecting cable required is more than 3.6 meters. You will have to pay for the entire cable as it has to be in one piece and cannot have any joints in between. The copper pipe, if the requirement goes over 3 meters, you will have to pay only for the additional meters. The drain pipe, if the requirement goes over 550 millimeters, you will have to pay only for the additional length. A power cable is not a part of the package and can be availed at an additional cost. Core cutting work, if any, shall also be done at an additional cost as it is outside the scope of the installation process. The estimated costs will be informed by a Panasonic-authorized engineer. Plumbing and masonry services are not offered by Panasonic. And any other items that are not a part of the installation process. Here are our rates for non-standard installation items. All items are available with the Panasonic-authorized service engineer visiting you, and it saves you the hassle of procuring them on your own. You can have complete peace of mind as we guarantee quality and will be a call away in case you face any concerns in the future. Once again, thank you for purchasing the Panasonic air conditioner. If you wish to avail extended warranty or buy any other Panasonic product, please visit store.in.panasonic.com or you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp number +91 93 112 11333. Hope your installation experience goes smoothly. For any other queries or feedback, please write to us at service.head@in.panasonic.com.
Panasonic.